Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Nur Maki's kitchen. Today we are having Temaki Sushi party.
Yay!
Is it the first time?
It's my first time having Temaki Sushi party.
Okay.
I'm looking forward to it. Can you show me how Temaki Sushi is made?
Okay. This is just very simple.
Maybe before you make, can you show what we have?
Okay. Today we have maguro, scallop, salmon, madai, uri. What's this? I don't know this. White sashimi. I heard this white sashimi is not allowed to eat in Japan because it's too fatty. Yes. And unagi, tamago, cucumber.
Your oba-chan enjoys unagi, eh?
Yes, unagi
as well as
sweet
tamagoyaki, eh?
And I made miso soup, asari miso soup.
This is the first time Maki made for me asari miso soup, so I'm looking forward to it. And also chawamushi.
Chawamushi.
And we also have sushi rice.
Sushi rice.
And here is nori that Maki will be using for the temaki sushi. And here is our obali. This is going to be part of the sushi as well.
Yes. Let's get started.
Yeah.
To make it temaki sushi. Okay.
Maki, can you show me how to make temaki sushi?
It's very simple. Just put rice on seaweed and put the sashimi what do you like. That's all.
Can you make one for me?
Please do yourself.
Show me first.
Okay, I'll show you. Put rice on seaweed. If you put too much, you cannot roll. So don't put too much. This is enough. And I want sashimi. Maybe scallop. And maybe salmon.
Scallop, salmon. I want scallop only.
One by one. Okay. Scallop.
Just one scallop. So one scallop is enough.
Okay.
One is enough.
You want obali?
Should we? Okay, sure.
Okay. Maybe I
Half
should.
obali?
I think one enough. Okay.
Sure.
Don't get it. Put scallop.
Okay. Should be enough. Wasabi?
Cucumber? I think.
Yes.
Yes. You can dissolve wasabi inside soy sauce, or you can put like this. Okay.
Alright.
Okay.
This is the temaki Maki made for me. So I think you have to roll it, right?
Yes, you have to roll. No need. Not have to.
I'm going to. Hi.
Good.
Scallop temaki sushi. Arigato Maki. I'm going to give it a try.
Okay.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa baligana fi ma ta'tana wa qina adzabannar. Amin.
Okay. Don't you put soy sauce?
Oshi, curry.
Right? Okay. Serve miso soup.
Put some on. Arigato.
Okay. Oishi?
Arigato.
Okay. Put some green onion.
Really delicious.
Of course. Okay. And let's enjoy.
I'm going to try Maki's asari sushi, asari miso soup. Asari is white clams, so I'm going to give it a try. really delicious, Maki. Arigato.
Yeah. I want salmon. Oh, and the, oh, sorry.
I'm gonna try asari.
Ikura.
Try asari.
I put too much. Cannot roll.
美味しいね。めっちゃ美味しい。You need, you can use the spoon to put in.
Ah, okay.
Try the green tea maki meat too.
美味しいサーモン。
I'm gonna try your chow
And
machine.
ikura.
Maki meat. All of this is homemade, but the fish came from the sea. Maki did not make the fish. We bought it though. Make very delicious. You did a good job there. I wish you can be here and eat it with us, but not really, because I want to eat everything by myself. I'm gonna make one more temaki sushi, but this time around I'm gonna use the egg.
Egg and unagi is very good combination.
Egg and unagi. Okay, I'll give it a try then. Tamago.
If you too big, you can cut half.
Okay.
Okay. Cut from this side.
You're very much more skilled than I am. One over here. Put a bit of unagi. Oh, okay, unagi's cut already. Can you cut half of this for me?
It's okay, you can.
Let's not waste.
Not waste. You
Enjoy.
Really catchy.
大丈夫.
No, just eat.
Okay,
all.
okay. My wife told me to do something, so I'm doing it. One curry.
Okay.
One curry. A little bit of wasabi. This wasabi is really strong.
Wasabi miso soup is very delicious.
Yeah. A little bit of this. Now I'm gonna wrap it. Good job there.
Your reaction is like fake.
No, it was really delicious. Yeah, I feel the sweetness of the tamagoyaki and the tenderness of the unagi. Oh, delicious.
Okay, let's enjoy.
Delicious.
美味しいじゃん、美味しい。エビ、ビッグエビ。
Oh wow, you are spoiling it. It's delicious, man. Being a wish, you should try this. The
Okay.
rice is delicious.
What's this?
Ikura don, where we bought it at the restaurant where we went at the market where they sell all this. We got an ikura don as well where they made it for us. I think it's super delicious.
Okay, I
Just
tried.
something about the rice. What's up?
Delicious.
Delicious, right? I'd like to say thank you for watching our video. We really enjoyed. Actually, the reason why Maki wanted to do this because through a recommendation from her friend, we found a very cheap, not restaurant, like a market, a shop that sells all sashimi, fish, salmon, all Japanese products for a reasonably cheaper price than in anywhere else. So we want to give it a try, so we went to try it. I think it was cheap and we enjoyed it. And Maki really enjoyed it. Anything else you want to say?
Thank you for watching my video.
Goodbye.
Bye bye.